Welcome to Tech Zone TV, where knowledge meets experience and machines meet mastery. Today, we dive deep into the art of felling trees, the old-fashioned way, but with modern safety and precision. If you've ever wondered how seasoned foresters take down towering spruce with grace and confidence, you're in the right place. Felling a tree starts long before the chainsaw touches bark. It begins with observation. Which way does the tree lean? Are there dead branches or cracks? Is the area around you clear of people and obstacles? These are not just details, they are decisions that protect lives. A well-prepared tree feller reads the forest like a seasoned tracker. Even the wind direction matters. A breeze against the intended fall can throw everything off. You don't rush this. You take a breath. You plan. Once the plan is set, it's time for the face cut, your guide for where the tree will fall. It's like steering a ship. You make a notch, a clean, open wedge, usually about a third into the trunk. The top cut is angled down, and the bottom cut meets it clean. If your cuts meet perfectly, you've got control. If not, the tree will have its own idea. This cut isn't about force, it's about precision, and the angle matters. Too shallow, and the tree won't commit. Too deep, and you risk losing hinge control. The hinge, that's the key. It's the bridge between your intention and the tree's final motion. With the face cut complete, it's time for the back cut, the final push. This cut should sit just slightly above the bottom of the face notch, leaving that all-important hinge in place. That hinge isn't just wood, it's direction, balance, and time. As the saw bites in, tension builds. You watch the tree. You listen. A subtle crack, a groan, then motion. And here's where decades of wisdom pay off. You never turn your back on a falling tree. Always plan and take your escape route. 2 steps back and at a 45-degree angle. Never straight back. It's not just the technique, it's also the tools. A sharp chain, the right bar length, and a reliable saw make the work smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Notice how calm the process becomes when the saw does its job and when the operator knows exactly how to guide it. You don't need brute strength to fell a tree. You need understanding, proper body stance, a firm grip, and confidence in your equipment. Those are what make it look easy. When everything comes together, it's a beautiful sight. A clean fall, no twist, no kickback, just a powerful tree surrendering with grace. The forest is never chaotic when the hands behind the saw are calm and sure. And the lesson? Whether you're clearing storm-damaged trees or harvesting responsibly, your process matters. You don't need to be in a hurry. Accuracy and safety go hand in hand. Every good fall is a story told right, with awareness, intent, and respect for nature's force. For those of us over 50, this isn't just work. It's legacy. We've held saws with calloused hands, felt bark under our fingers, and learned from trees bigger than houses. The body may slow down, but the wisdom sharpens. And watching someone else do it right, it sparks the fire again. Maybe it's been years since you dropped a tree. Maybe you've never tried. But with the right knowledge, anyone can learn or appreciate the quiet art of tree felling done with purpose. So here's to the woodsmen and the weekend cutters. To those who still believe in taking time, making clean cuts, and standing back to watch nature fall the way you intended. May you always keep your saw sharp and your instincts sharper. Thanks for watching TechZone TV. If this brought back memories or taught you something new, stick around. We've got more wisdom coming your way.